This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, give me a second. Let me save this file. Fine. So yesterday and day before yesterday, like 2-3 days before, we learned about ledger allocation rules, and then accrual schemes yesterday we learned. In this accrual schemes, there is a small tool kind of allocation key. Allocation key is available. This is reusable function. One is allocation key, another one is date intervals. These two are small kind of tools. Wherever you want, you can use this in multiple areas. Okay, let me explain you what is this actually. This is a small tool inside. Let me go back to this one. So look at this one. Allocation keys is available in multiple areas. Okay, I will show you from inventory management, setup, forecast. Inventory management, setup, forecast, allocation keys. This is item allocation keys actually. So this is, you can use anywhere in the allocation keys. Okay, I don't want now for this one. Let me go there only and let me show you. One second. Production control, production. Actually, this key, it is available earlier in general ledger also. Now it was backend. Give me 1 second. I want to see the direct name allocation keys. Yes. So you can create new. Oh, once again, this also related to 1 second. Depends. So the utilization, it was shown. The main form is not there. So let me go back to our finance general ledger. I'm sorry. So here, accrual schemes. We are discussing yesterday accrual schemes. In this, there is a reusable tool, small tool, allocation key. See here, if you click on new, if you select here allocation key, then it will show you the period key. Okay, so let me try where it is available, the direct form. Yeah, this is the form, period allocation categories. Okay, it is available here only, luckily. Good. So allocation key is renamed as period allocation categories. Okay, let me show from here itself. Period allocation categories. Actually, this is allocation key. it was renamed as the form. So I'm looking for this form. This will be used in many places actually. As I told you, you can use in the item master, you can use in the project, you can use in the production. There are many places, but this is the master. Actually in 2012 it is allocation key. Now they have renamed as period allocation categories, but in some places it was same allocation key. Okay, here what is the intention here? Look at this one sales curve it was created, lines. It was mapped 12 months, 5%, 5%, 7%, like this. Remaining 0% means the total is 100. If you click, suppose I'm making intentionally 3%, then remaining percentage it will show you 4%. Look at this. Okay, you need to make 100%. So if you map like this 100%, like this, you are splitting like this. Now yesterday we understood like this pre-printed stationery we have posted like equally. Now I don't want equally, I want to map like this. First one is 5%, so 2,40,000, 2,000. I think we have entered 24,000, 24,000 into 5%, 24,000 into 5%, like this we can use it. So practically let me show you. Understood the concept? Instead of equal, we are mentioning the percentage. Instead of equal, we are mentioning the percentage. Thus, this percentages you can define as per your request. As per the client request or as per the comfort, you can map. So only one thing, for the entire 12 months, it should be remaining percentage should be 0. It should be total should be 100%. You can split whatever the way you want. This is your wish. You can rise like this. Now what I will do, yesterday whatever we did it, for that I will map. Give me 1 second. So I will map this allocation key and I will execute sales curve. I will map this one and I will execute accrual schemes. So what I'm doing, instead of calendar, I'm mapping allocation key and I will map this sales curve. If I map like this, what happens? If I map like this, what happens? Now look at this one. Let me do one transaction. General ledger, journal entries, general journal, click new, select the journal name, so I'm entering suppose Jan 3rd or Jan 1st. I'm entering pre-printed stationery. Now I'm entering same 24,000 expenditure I'm posting. Now I'm applying functions, ledger accruals, the same whatever you have selected yesterday we are selecting, but it is not period now. If you look at this one transactions, the split will be differently. First month 5%, next month 5%, next month is something different percentage. If you go inside this allocation key lines, third month it is 7%, so 24,000 into 7%. Okay, 2400 I have entered, so 1680. Understood? Because the sales is happened in the month of August, September, October, or September, October, November. In these months, the sales will be happened a lot because it is a festival season. The sales is happening majorly here. So I want to split that one majorly in that periods. So you have some calculations, like business people, they will have different calculation. September, July, September, October, November, December, or whatever it may be, the percentages. So if you have some different calculations, you can understood. Any doubt? Are you able to hear me at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is period allocation key. This period allocation key, you can use it in many functions, not only this one, in many areas. It is in one is in master planning also, you can use it in master planning. In production you can use it. In the project management and accounting also you can use it. This is a reusable function. So in 2012, the name of the form is period allocation key, or allocation key, or period allocation key. Of course, in D365 they have renamed as period allocation categories. This is a small kind of reusable tool. Okay, fine. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let me map once again back to normal. If I'm showing to some other batch, it will create problems initially. So let me map it to normal period. Okay, this is one small tool. Now another tool I want to explain you. Give me 1 second. Date intervals. Okay, just give me 1 second.
Before that, Satya, in this period allocation, you have like three kinds of functions there, right? Like percentage and weighted. I saw weighted also, right?
Okay, yeah.
Same as the standard accrual functions.
1 second. Let me go back. So period allocation case, am I right? Yeah. So where you are referring?
No, can you go back?
Okay.
Right there. Sales.
So here.
Okay, sales curve. What are those? Sales curve weighted based on base months.
You can create your own. You can create your own.
Okay.
Anything. It's just a naming convention. We can use it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here you can map whatever you want.
We did percentage based, right? Can we do weighted the kind of thing on the like standard? Only percentage.
It is percentage. Always it is percentage. The total percent should reach 100. It is 100.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome. So you can use wizard also. If you want, you can use wizard and you can create, but usually it will be percentage only. So there are multiple options, months and years like this. So you can map 1 month. It is 12 periods. So you can create. So if you want to use business unit department combination also, you can create. You can play with this system, with these combinations, and you can proceed.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah. So it is 8.3333. So the mathematics limitations, let me show you this one. So for this, if you go inside, it will lying 0.4%. So I need to adjust this one to every 3 months. I need to make like this. This is product limitation, not product limitation, it is mathematics limitations. Make sense? Because 8.333 is not equal to 12 months. If you multiply, it is not equal to 100. It is 99.96. So I have adjusted like this. So you can create your wish, but always be remember the total should be equal to 100%.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, give me a minute. Just whatever you ask, let me verify that 1 minute. You can map like this. Even it is like this only. So always it is percentage only. So there is no kind of percentage, fixed weight percentage calculation, whatever you are looking, it is not there. As per my knowledge, it is 100% only.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So you can play and you can verify. If it is anything else, please let me know. It will be helpful to the entire team. Okay, fine. So next one is this small tool, whatever it is you have learned. Another tool is date intervals. This is also most useful to everywhere. Not only in this area, there are many places it will be more useful. Okay, so just give me 1 minute. Just I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Now date intervals. So let me create one new, and let us understand how the dates are changing. Okay, so I'm creating new period kind of thing. Look at this one. Date is from today date 20th of April to 20th of April it is showing. Okay, now one by one how it is changing. Suppose I'm making period. This is, suppose I will make it like last period, last month period. Last month, suppose I'm making. Last month means March 1st to March 31st. If you are in the month of April, it is last month means March 1st to March 31st. If you are in the month of May, the period, then last month means April 1st to 30th of April. If you are in the month of June, last month means May 1st to 31st May. So system should automatically capture those kinds. So now I have selected period. Here also I have selected period. Now I have selected start. If I select start, look at this one, it was updated 4th April, sorry, April 1st. And I have mentioned end. Then it will be 30th of April. And I have entered -1. Automatically it will update the previous day. Instead of days, I am mapping months. It is 31st, like March 1st. I'm entering -1 month. Okay, and this also period and period. Here start and end. Okay, as soon as if I select this one, it was updated perfectly. So here, if I want last quarter, then I can map quarter. In this quarter and quarter. One second. This is perfect 1-1, but this is not updated. Here I need to map periods, correct. Give me a second. It is not this one. quarter 1, quarter 2. Okay. So if it is a quarter 1, we need to map start, and we are not mapping anything. If it is quarter 2, we need to map 3 months. If it is quarter 3, it is 6 months. If it is quarter 4, it is 9 months. Okay. If it is last month, it is easy. Month calculation, we can map months simply. You can select period or month because we have period is equal to month. If it is differently, then you can map differently. Means if your calendar is weekly calendar, the financial calendar is weekly calendar, then only it will be changed. Otherwise, 99% scenarios, period is equal to month. You can select period or you can select month. So if you want next month, then you can use +1. So if you create like this, so I'm deleting the rough data. I'm showing you
Satya?
the, yes, please. Yeah.
Satya, in case you need to set for this kind of, this is related to Sage fixed assets also?
Fixed assets.
Yeah.
So what do you mean by fixed assets here?
No, that means the date will automatically change on the month. That is come to like value need to run for based on the month or.
Let me finish the utilization of this one because it is shown like how to create. Let me show you the utilization. We'll discuss about fixed assets. Give me 2 minutes. Okay. Right. Now we can create as per your requirement, and this is mostly useful for reporting purpose. If you go to inquiries and reports, if you go to trial balance, not only trial balance, says in many places. Suppose here I'm selecting one by one the dates. Rather than this one, I can use date intervals. Current period means it will populate automatically April 1st to April 30th. If you select next period, then it is, look at this one, May 1st to May 31st. If you select current year, it will show Jan 1st to December 31st. If you select current year till date, then it is today date. Current period today date. Current year today date, if you want, you can select current year today date. So you can define like this. So rather than selecting here, you are selecting like this. So if it is suppose previous year I want, then we can select previous year. Automatically it will populate the dates. You need not worry, and you can generate the reports. That is the major advantage of date interval. Not only here, there are many reports. Now I will go to chart of accounts, main accounts, many reports. You can use, this is a small inbuilt function created. So this report tool, like date interval tool, wherever the dates are there, you can use. Let me verify in this available or not. Please bear with me, it is taking some time. So here also, if it is, yeah, date interval is there. Okay, any reports, whenever if you are developing, you can use this function, date intervals. Okay, this is a predefined date interval function. You can use this one. Yeah, now tell me, I think Prakash, yeah, so what is your point clarification?
That date you mentioned about the month wise, no? The month wise, it is related to like all the modules.
Yeah, yes. So
Okay.
here this date interval can be used anywhere in the reports, any reports.
Okay.
If you are by default, if it is available, you can use it. Otherwise, if it is not available, suppose you are generating a report, new report, because in real-time scenario implementation, we need so many reports to be developed. So at that time, if you want to use this reusable function of this date intervals, you can use it. You can use it.
But did you choose fixers also, correct?
Anywhere,
No.
wherever the
Are you
reports.
no? Are you teaching fixers also, correct?
Yes, I'm teaching. Yes, next month you are
Yeah.
going to learn about fixed assets.
Okay.
You are going to learn about fixed assets, budgeting, and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, will be covered.
And I have small doubt for accounting section. I already go through the video also. It is possible. Can I do one half session for that also?
Accounting.
Section.
Okay, fine. Okay,
So
let
when
me give me 5 minutes and then we'll discuss. Okay, give me 5 minutes.
yeah. Okay. No issues.
Fine. So clear now, everyone. This date interval function, a small function about allocation key and date intervals is, of course, it is very small tool, but it is really useful whenever you are because in implementations we need to develop reports. Am I right? We need to develop a reports. So many reports we need to configure or we need to develop as per the client requirement. At that time, majorly this will be useful, date interval. You can attach this wherever the date fields are there, we can attach as a date interval. You can reuse this function. Okay, every module, there is no limitation like you need to use in general ledger module only. In every module, like in procurement and sourcing module or sales and marketing or fixed assets or any modules, you can use this function, date interval. Very small tool, so you can explore on this one, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. This is very self-explanatory tool. Okay, fine. So anyone, any doubts on these tools? Small tools, reusable tools. Okay, I hope it is clear. Yeah, Prakash, tell me now accounting structure.
Yeah. Can you show me for accounting structure once how to they are defined?
Yes. So which structure you want me to create new one?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I will delete once it is created. I will delete. Usually I don't keep like rough data. I'm creating one. Okay. Yes, please. Now you want me to add some financial dimensions.
Yes.
So I'm adding business unit, department. Business unit I'm adding, add segment. Okay, and then I'm adding one more segment, department. Usually majority clients, they want business unit and department as a default dimensions they want. And for main accounts, I can map is between includes. Okay, starting point of 100,000 to 199,999.
this mapping, I think is already done for the particular books. No, how can I identify? Is mapping done or not?
I'm not getting your point. This is,
See, for example, 1000 to 199 that 99 is there? No, this already done or not? How to can I identify?
see, first thing is you are creating different structures. Once it
Yeah.
is created, you are making like activate. So
Okay.
now it is in a draft.
Job.
It is
Okay.
and click OK.
Mhm.
I understood your question. We don't have answer. I will tell you what is the question and what is the answer. Now it is active. So if you refresh, it will be activate. It will activate. Now your question is like, I have created one structure AS1.
Yeah.
I have created AS structure 2. I have created AS3. I have created AS4. So this is from 1002 dot dot 19999, and another structure I have created like suppose 25000 dot dot 29999, and I have created 3002. Any you can create like anything, suppose 69999, and 7002 dot dot 9999. Now I missed this 25200022499. I missed. How can I know?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
We don't have. This is your responsibility. That is the accountant role, like functional consultant role or accountant role.
Then how to can verify which was I missed out?
So you can go to one expo, like you can go to the structures. Let me go to this one, general ledger. So collapse all, ledger setup, ledgers. Here you are defining the structures, am I right?
Yeah.
In these structures you need to verify. So this is a manual task, a big task. I can agree with you. Like if it is suppose 20 structures are there, how can I know track? Am I right?
Yeah, that's very correct.
Yeah. So we don't have alternative quick solution. This is your data. This is your.
They don't have any kind of reporting accounts. Actually, don't have any report.
I don't think so. But when I verified, technical people, they are verifying through SQL query. SQL query, they are verifying backend. But if I have anything, I will let you know. But I don't expect any answer from me. But if I will search for, I will search with some other people. If anything I found, I will try to answer that one. 99% no.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
But in case you want customized kind of reporting, they are possible.
Yeah, you can do customization. Like you can do report, like you can generate a report, like a kind of this one, whatever it is there. Because people are executing SQL query means it is a report indirectly. Am I right?
Yeah. But
So
the problem for creating table, I could not understanding. That's why.
yeah, that's what. Actually, we are being a functional people, we can't do. So if you want to with the help of a developer, SSRS report generator, like whoever is generating, whoever expertise in SSRS and SQL server, they can develop a report, and they can you can see from there. You can see from there. It is a view only, right? It's a view.
Yeah.
I understand completely your concern, Jay Prakash. Prakash, but I don't have immediate answer. This is your data, so you need to verify.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So clear to everyone. It is not only for Prakash, everyone. Because Prakash asked me like one-to-one can we discuss, but I told him like we'll discuss in the session. It will be helpful to everyone. So whatever he is facing in real-time scenario, because if it is suppose there is kind of structures, I have 20 structures. How can I see? It is a limitation. We don't have report. If you want, you can generate a report. If it is 3-4 structures, we can understand easily. If it is suppose 20 structures are there, 15 structures are there, then it is a little bit complex. This is a little bit challenge. It is not a big challenge. It is a little bit challenge. you need to verify one by one. Okay, fine. I hope it is clear to everyone. Anyone has any doubts?
Hello, Satya.
Yes, please.
Yeah, like currently we have an accounting structure, but in between, after posting few transactions, can we make any changes to the accounting structure to as per the
Yes.
if any
Yes.
requirement?
So if you, at any point of time you can change the structure, but already posted transactions cannot be modified. For the new transactions, the new structure will come into the picture. For the new transactions, if you are newly transactions, whatever you are posting, that will be validated with the new structure. For the old transactions, old structure will be considered.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else? Anyone? Any more doubts here? Okay, fine. I hope it is clear. Give me a minute. So now today, one more topic I would like to start. It may not be completed this topic, but let me start the topic. Credit and collections. So this module, it may take 2-3 days time. Credit and collections. Okay. In this credit and collections, one of the important topic is customer aging report. Customer aging report. Okay. Anyone has any idea? Customer aging report means what it means?
The customer aging report is related to customers
Debit credit of customer.
Come again, please.
Debit and credit for the customer. It's like when it, what was the payment, what was the sold amount, and
Sorry, that one, Rakesh, a little bit different.
No, this aging payment means related to the customer invoicing.
Okay, so what it means, customer aging?
For example, they are rising for invoice today. They're giving some aging amount for 30 days due time. After due time, they won't pay. They're increasing their time. Then they're showing for aging payment. 30,
Yes.
60, 90.
Yes, perfect. Okay. So this is customer aging report means the pending balances from the customer. Simple word, the pending invoices from the customer. So of course, Rakesh also partially it is correct. So the pending amounts here, the exact word is the pending amounts from the customers is customer aging report. Okay. Now, so here before going to this one, many people not sure, many people don't know about like 2-3 words. You need to understand these 2-3 words a little bit care inside. One is invoice date or posting date. Another one is due date. Another one is invoice date. This is applicable for vendors. For customers, it may not be applicable. We'll discuss that point later. And this will be discussed in vendor aging report. Extra one. Apart from these two, there is one more in vendor aging report. We'll discuss. Now let us focus on this one. Posting date and due date. Okay. This is majorly the report is customer aging report is. The customer aging report means the pending amounts which I need to receive from the customer. Okay. This I can make it in different blocks. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days or above 120 days, etc. And remember, business people, they will use the word 30, 60, 90. In their mind, this is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and above 4 months. So in their mindset, this is actually like in their mouth. Whenever they are using the words, from the mouth they will come. It will come like 30, 60, 90, and in their mind, this is the scenario. So I'm using two things: business people, their mind, and their mouth. These two are different. They are syncing each other, but this is wrong. You need to remember, you need to speak with the business people. 1 month is not equal to 30 days. You need to give clarification. You need to remove in their mind whatever it is there, and from their mouth whatever it is coming is different. Business people, you need to give clarification. 1 month is not equal to 30 days. What is the reason? If it is a March month, it is 31 days. If it is May month, it is 31 days. Now, suppose there is an invoice in the month of May, it was executed. One invoice, like you are generating on we are generating the report on June 1st, 2021, suppose. Now, last month means it is 01 May 21 to 31st May 2021. This is last month. So if you map last 30 days, means it is May 2nd to 31st May. Understood the difference? Their intention is they will use the word 30 days, but in their mind they are using the word 1 month. So you need to be very much clear about this first before going to implement this like customizing report. You need to remember like this. Now, if it is, this is last month, okay? So even though you need to be very much clear about the calculation methodology, whether you are really asking for 30 days or 1 month. Even the report name is 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, but their intention is this one, then you need to map internally 1 month calculation rather than days calculation. Okay, let me show you that one first. Let me make you visualization and then we'll discuss. So it is in credit and collections. This is in credit and collections module. Setup, aging period definitions. Aging period definitions. So in this, it is they are using the word 30, 60, 90. So if you map 30 days back date, 30 days, it will not fill the information. So you need to create, I'm creating new 30, 60 as per their requirement, 30, 60, 90, 120 something or above 120, 90 and above 90. I will map 120 and above 120. Now here, even it was mapped like this one, you need to map minus 1 month. Next 1 month. next 1 month. I will create 120 next 1 month. Now I will create one more. Okay, 1 2 3 4, it is not allowed, so 90 plus only. So I will map unlimited. Here you can use, if you want, you can map for safer side 9s. Okay, so in their words they are using 30 90 60, but logically the calculation is 1 month. So 30 days is not equal to 1 month. Clear this one first before going to proceed? So you need to clear the business people mindset, whether they are referring to really 30 days or 1 month. So in the month of May, whatever invoices are executed, I want to show in the last month, then it is 1 month but not 30 days. If you map like this, then in the month of May, first whatever the transactions posted, that will show here. That will show here. Okay, fine. So now I want to explain you two things here. Posting date and due date. There are two options. So if it is customizing report, I'm showing you. So completely we'll discuss tomorrow. It may not be completed today. Okay, I need to give you more details about this one. Inquiries and reports, customers, customizing report. While executing this customizing report, there are three options. Look at this one: transaction date, due date, and a document date. So of course, document date is not important for AR side. This document date or invoice date will be useful in vendor side. We'll discuss tomorrow about that one. So remember here, there are transaction date and due date. So posting date means transaction date. And due date. Okay, suppose I have executed one invoice on 5th of 1st of June or something. Now 5th June or 1st June, suppose for clarity I'm doing 1st June. Now if it is due date, like terms of payment is 30 days, then it should not show in 0 to 30 days. Agree with me? Because the due date is for this transaction is next month. Means if the date is comes on July 1st, 1st July, then only it should calculate the pending amount in this bracket. Agree with me? I cannot approach the customer in this 30 days. In the month of June, I can approach the customer to collect money because this is 0 to 30 days. 0 to 30 days means here 1 month. I mean to say this is 31 to 60 and this is 61 to 90. Very sensitive information, try to understand. Here if it is terms of payment is 30 days, then due date will be 1st July. So I can approach the customer on July 1st. If customer is not paid, then it will show, it should show in the 0 to 30 days. Otherwise it should not show. This is no due. Okay, let me show that one. So if it is not clear today, I will discuss once again tomorrow in detail. here in this collections, aged balances, so look at this one, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days above, like 180 and more. Here current month, this is not the pending amount, it is current month. What is this current month means? This transaction, if you map due, if you are generating a report as due date, the report is generating based on the due date, then whatever it was posted from June 1st to June 30th, that should not show in 0 to 30 days. It should not show in the, because that is not a pending amount from the customer. It should show here in this amount due. One second, not this one, no due. I need to map that one. Give me 1 second. If it is not completed today, we'll discuss tomorrow in detail. Customer setup, aging period definitions, and I need to create one more bracket. Zero, it is unlimited, current. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5. This is positive. Okay, now I'm running this one. So anyhow, tomorrow you will understand the entire process. So what is this? 30, 60, 90, 180. Update financials. You have option functions here. One is due date, one is transaction date. You can use this both. Okay, so I'm clicking OK. So I have explained today pieces of information, not complete process. Tomorrow you will understand the entire process one by one. And one more thing, this report is most important for any client, because customer need to collect the money from the customer, like from their clients. Sorry, client need to collect the information, money from their customers. So here you need to remember. Let me recap. Give me a second. Sorry. I'm just recollecting once again. So this client is for software company, this is a customer. So I'm using the word this is client and these are customers. So for this client, whatever the pending amounts from the customers, that is the report. Okay, that is the report we are executing. So here, while generating this report, these are customizing report, means the amounts pending from different customers. For this client, we are generating report, because that is the major important topic for any client. Whenever you are doing business, I need to verify whether the amounts coming from the customer in time or not. If it is delayed, then your company is in a wrong direction. Okay, so I need to generate this report periodically, at least monthly once. Some companies maybe they may generate for 15 days also, but at least minimum monthly once they need to generate, and they need to verify what is the amount pending from different customers, how long it is pending, So while doing this, how long it is pending, now if it is invoice is generated in the month of June and terms of payment is 30 days, then it should not show in 0 to 30 days bracket. If I'm generating in the month of June, if I generate in the month of July, then it should show in the brackets, in this bracket, because the customer will pay in 30 days. That's what we know. So if you are generating, there are two options for customizing report. One is transaction date, one is due date. Due date is the best option always you need to generate. So it is processing. Give me one or 2 minutes time. If anyone is in hurry, please, if you want, you can leave, no issues. Tomorrow I will discuss about this one entire topic from the scratch. Today I have introduced about this one. It is most important report. Tomorrow I will show you by posting one transaction. So if you select transaction date, how it is showing, if it is like due date, how it is showing, we'll see. Usually it will not take this much time. So maybe some balances are there. So let it be finished. Now, if you go to here, like aged balances, aged customer balances, it will show you the report. Sorry, nothing. Give me 1 second. You can see from here also. I'm just refreshing. So no due. This amount is invoice is generated this today or yesterday or 15 days before, but this is should not be shown as pending amount. Understood? This should not shown as pending amount. That is not due. Okay, in detail I will discuss with you tomorrow, okay, about these balances, so that you will understand in detail. This is if you generate based on the transaction date, it will show here. If you generate based on the due date, it will show as a no due, because this no due means it is the invoice is generated, but not, it should not be in the 0 to 30 days bracket. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow about this one. Just I want to tell you clearly here, transaction date is different from due date. So majority people, they will generate transaction date, that is fine. I will show you the importance of due date. Okay, whereas vendorizing report, we have another function, document date or invoice date. We'll discuss this one later, once next continuation. So any doubts or any clarifications for today at least? Okay, if nothing, then we'll connect once again tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. IST. See you all.
Thanks, Sach.
అది వేసుకున్నాక కూడా